Okay, this is the back side of your Venn diagram. This is kind of a filter chart for quadrilaterals. So if you have a shape you don't know what it is, you can kind of filter it down through this and you will figure it out what it is. So if you would pause the video right now, please, and just write in all those questions in green. So write in all the questions that are on here in green onto your paper. This is what you're going to ask yourself when you're using this filter chart. Okay, picking it back up, you should have all these questions written in now. Your first question, does it have four sides? It's on top right here in green. If it does have four sides, then you are dealing with a quadrilateral. So your top box right here should be quadrilateral. So write in quadrilateral. Then you go down to the next green question. So if you've got a quadrilateral, does it have one set of parallel sides? If you answer yes, it does have one parallel sides, then you have a trapezoid. And that's what goes there. If you answer no, it has two sets of parallel sides, then we're going to put it over here. If it doesn't have any parallel sides, then it's just a quadrilateral. One set trapezoid, two set comes over here, and it's a parallelogram. So now we're going to keep going from parallelogram. So does it have two sets? Yes, and it's a parallelogram. Does it have right angles? That's going to be our next box. So if yes, your parallelogram has right angles, 4 90-degree angles, that would make it a rectangle. The other question comes over here, are all sides equal? So if all sides are equal on your parallelogram, over here, that would make it a rhombus. Then if it's got both of these things, so if it's a parallelogram with right angles and all sides equal, same thing over here, all sides equal and right angles, that last part right here makes it a square. And that's how you do this. So you just take whatever shape you've got and you put it in this chart and you can figure out what it is. If it's one set of parallel lines, it's going to come out to be a trapezoid. If it's two sets, it's a parallelogram. If it doesn't have right angles and the sides aren't equal, then you just stop right there and it's a parallelogram. If it does have some of these other qualities in green, then you keep going. So if it does have the property of all sides being equal, then it's a rhombus. If it also has right angles, it's a square. You can put shapes down this flow chart and kind of get an understanding of what they are. I really like this thing. Okay, that is it for this video.